Welcome to our series on essential programming libraries. Today, we're diving into NumPy, the library every programmer should know. To get started with NumPy, simply install it using pip. Here's a quick example to show you how NumPy works. First, let's create a 2D array. This is how easy it is to create a matrix-like structure using NumPy. Accessing elements in a NumPy array is intuitive. Let's say we want the element in the first row and second column. We use zero-based indexing, just like lists in Python. What makes NumPy truly special is its ability to perform operations on entire arrays at once. For example, let's double every element in the array. As you can see, NumPy lets you avoid writing loops for such operations, saving time and effort. Finally, let's compute the sum of all elements in the array. This is just the tip of the iceberg. NumPy provides countless functions to make your computations faster and easier. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more programming essentials. See you in the next video.